Have you ever looked for a strategy that can bring you significant profits and grow your account in the shortest time while ensuring these profits are consistent? And all this while requiring minimal time to find entry positions on the chart? If you're a trader, you must have searched for such a strategy just like I did. In my opinion, the strategy I'm introducing to you today definitely has all these features. Before introducing it to you, I backtested it and obtained very good results. So the strategy I'm going to share has three main characteristics. The first one, it can grow your account in the shortest time. The second one, the profit you gain with this strategy are consistent. And the third one, it optimizes your entry points for trades. So if you watch this video until the end and learn this strategy, you can be sure that you will achieve all these goals. You just need to pay close attention to the video. First, we go to the TradingView website, which I use for chart analysis, finding entry points for trades, and backtesting my strategies. After that, you need to select your symbol. I choose a symbol that I've previously backtested and achieved a very good win rate with. You can choose symbols from Forex, crypto, or even the stock market and perform your backtest on them. Next, you need to go to the time frame and set your time frame to 5 minutes. Now we need to add the first indicator to the chart. For this, just search in the indicator tab, 10 and 1 different moving averages. Now select it and add it to the chart. As you know, we need to apply some settings to this indicator, so let's go into its settings and make the necessary changes together. We use this indicator to find the overall market direction. Whenever the candles are below all 4 lines of this indicator, we consider the trend to be bearish. And whenever the candles are above all these lines, we consider the trend to be bullish. Another use of this indicator is that we can find entry points for buy and sell trades. For example, you can enter a buy trade when the price candles cross the 20 moving average line upwards and set a stop loss below one of the other moving averages to gain good profits from the market. Remember that where you place your stop loss below which moving average depends on your choice and may increase your trade risk. At this point, you can also see that the price candles have crossed the 20 moving average line downwards, and here we can enter a sell trade while placing a stop loss in a safe zone to gain good profits from the market. Well, you have seen a very simple strategy that I explained with the help of this indicator. You can set your risk to reward ratio for take profit at 1 to 1.5, but our main strategy goes beyond just one indicator. To increase its accuracy and improve our win rate, we will add another indicator to the chart. For this, we go into the indicator tab and type in the search box, weighted oscillator convergence divergence. When you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. Now we enter its settings and make some changes to it. As you can see, this indicator has an oscillator that we use to help find entry points. This indicator has a zero line that divides it into two parts. One upper part where the columns are green and another lower part where the columns are red. This indicator can serve two purposes for us. The first is that we can divide them into two zones, buy zone and sell zone. Whenever the price is in either of these zones, we can open a corresponding trade on the chart. However, the way we will use this indicator in today's strategy is to help us find our entry points for trades. When the columns in the indicator change color from green to red, we consider that point as a sell signal. Conversely, when the red columns change to green, we view that point as a buy signal. To fully understand this, I've provided several examples and explained the entry points on the chart. Now that you have learned how to use these indicators individually, it's necessary to combine them and create today's strategy. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I've created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. Let's start with a buy order. First, we need to find a point on the chart that generates a buy signal for us. After that, we need to ensure that we are in an uptrend at this point. If both of these conditions are met, we know we have found our entry point for the trade. Now we need to set a stop loss for our trade. You can find the last swing low and place your stop loss slightly below it. Now we can enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, we can set our risk to reward ratio at 1 to 1.5. Now we just have to wait for our trade to close with a profit. For sell orders, as I taught you earlier, we first need to look for a sell signal. After that, we just need to ensure that we are in a downtrend at this point. Once we confirm that both of these conditions are met, we know we have found our entry point for the trade. At this point, we can enter the trade and set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. For the take profit, we can also set our risk to reward ratio at 1 to 1.5 and wait for our trade to close with a profit. And the following, you can see several examples of this strategy on different symbols to fully understand it. As you saw, with this strategy, we were able to achieve all three of our goals, and I hope you can also achieve the profits you desire using this strategy. I recommend that if you're looking for a specific and unique strategy with a high win rate, you definitely check out these two videos as well.